In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer tickets on Live Nation. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To transfer your tickets on Live Nation, you will be primarily doing this through the mobile app. So you and the person you are going to be transferring to will use the mobile app to manage the tickets. So first, sign into your account inside of the application. Once you are signed in, you will go into the My Tickets option, so at the bottom of the screen. When you choose My Tickets, you will see all of the tickets that are currently attributed to your account. Choose a particular one that you would like to transfer. You will see the details, the date, row, seat, and so on. And if you look at the bottom, the transfer option should be available. If this button is grayed out, then sadly it could indicate that a specific set of tickets that you are trying to transfer is not available. So in that case, there's not much that you can do. I would recommend contacting their customer support to see if they are able to get this done for you. But if the transfer option is available, then just tap on it, and now you will be able to choose who you want to transfer to. You can select someone from your contacts or manually enter a recipient. So all that you have to do now is input their details like their first and last name, email or mobile number, include a note, and their email address. And as long as you input all of the necessary information, the ticket will be transferred. They might have to accept on their end. They will usually receive an email or notification, and once they do, it is going to appear under their tickets. It is going to transfer this exact section, row, seat, and this will work for any show, any ticket that you have, as long as the transfer option is available. As I've said before, if for whatever reason the transfer button is grayed out or you don't see it, contact the customer support and see if they are able to manage it for you. For the most part, you only have the ability to transfer tickets if you do it through the mobile app on this page when you tap on details for a specific one. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer tickets on Live Nation. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.